Okay, this is Villa de Taipa. So this is what was at the edge of the island, and then this would have been all water that I'm standing on right here. But now it's all reclaimed land, and they put a lot of casinos on it. So those are where Galaxy is across the street from here. The new subway station. All of this is what once would have been on the water. And go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. The water. And I think we're just gonna walk into this space a little bit, and there's a new metro right there. There's places to sit in here, and there's this whole space as well. So yep, this is Villa de Taipa. Taipa village, they would call it. You can take a look over Taipa village over here, so you can see what it looks like. It looks like this. And then we just went down one of these streets here with a bunch of banyan trees. So. And then this little space, I think this maybe I don't know what the role would have been for this space. Yep. Taipa village. And there's the metro right here too. So this metro would go over what was once the water, and I don't know when it's going to open up, but maybe we'll walk up there a little bit and see. We'll go up to the top, and I'll ask if I know. This is the station right there. I was going to go up there and ask him, but I can find it out online anyways. Try to catch a bus instead. So we're just going to show you what the station looks like. So this is basically the edge of Taipa village. So this is where this particular station is at. And it'll be running soon. So they do testing all the time. It's supposed to be opening at the end of this year. It's supposed to be opening lots of different earlier points in the time as well. And behind it is Galaxy, and there's construction over there. There's construction in the middle. Kind of construction everywhere. So we're just gonna walk, catch this bus over here. We're gonna capture this space as we do. So yep, Villa de Taipa. There it is. This one actually goes to the Praia de Haxa Beach. So if you want to go to the Haxa Beach, this is where you could go. From this space right here, you can catch this bus. This is a 26A bus. And if I had a lot of time, I would go there, but I don't plan to go there right now. Okay.